Hi, today I'm gonna open up this Raph from Super7 from the 2003 series. It's my favorite series. I want to talk about the box because they weren't supposed to do these extra packaging, but I'm happy because I got it shipped from Amazon, so it's not damaged, and I'm gonna open it now. That's awesome. That's the back. The front of the box is this. It's still in a bag. It keeps it fresh, but there's no like sleeve going over, so they only lost the sleeve. Prices are still the same, and they're really expensive where I live. Otherwise, I would have got them as soon as I was able to, but I waited. He was less than regular price, but he was only $3 less. Okay, let's do this. Feel like it doesn't need to be in such a big box. You know, look at all this extra packaging they're wasting. What was the point of them losing that one layer of cardboard? Because plastic is cheaper for them and they sell it at the same price. So I don't know how they do this. Twist it one way, but then you get to a point and then it's twisted the other way. I've mentioned before, these Super7 twist ties, they're metal with a clear plastic outside. They're perfect if you have a Mikey and you break his nunchucks. This is the perfect nunchuck string because you can pose it how you want. It's a little tip. Okay, everything else should just pop out or fall out. Not quite? Okay. These did. Those are nice. This is the original Raph, which I have over here. He came with a silver and the regular gray and I think a brown pair on a card. This one just came with 2 extra sets of hands, a turtle comm, which is sick, and a second head. So same price though. Less packaging, but more packaging. Here's the turtle comm. That's sick. And I'm complaining, but I really do like this guy and I've wanted him for a long time. It's just getting them out of the package is a struggle, and so not in as good a mood as I was when I first started opening him. One waving hand, closed fist hand. The second head is awesome. It's great. I like it. It's very good. Here's a 2003 original, but it's not original because I customized it. It was one of the first turtle figures I customized on this show years ago when I first started. Another closed fist hand. Another waving hand. He's got 2 holding stuff hands on him. They're not holding stuff right now, but they're capable. How are you supposed to get it out without breaking it, bastards? 1 foot at a time? No. You can get one part out, then it gets easier. But which part? I guess I'll have to go for the leg. Alright, we got 1 leg. 2 legs. Oh, he's doing that exercise where you hold the bars and then lift up your legs, and it's good for your abs, I think. That's cool. So he sits down pretty well. Usually the legs won't go up that high. Well, I guess Raph kinda is. I've got him sitting over here. Okay, 2 legs. The hands are tough and the head is tough because the bandana is sticking out the back. Because you see how the hands are like deep in? Still no. It's already been 10 minutes. You don't see the whole 10 minutes, but the hands are still the last thing stuck. Was it worth it? Of course it was, but that was the toughest toy I ever opened, or the toughest packaging. He's pretty tough. Oh, he's got the classic growling face. Here he's more smiling than growling. He's growling a bit, I mean in the original one. But the classic 87 toys, they copied the toy exactly. This time they made it actually look like exactly how it does in the cartoon, which is awesome. It's supposed to have even more articulation than this one. He's sitting down. I don't want to move his legs. So that's his turtle comm or shell cell or whatever. This new one's got a lot more detail. Well, no, this one still does, but got more on the back, a little paint. So got elbow, he's got wrist, he's got shoulder, he's got swivel at the shoulder. His neck goes all the way around, tilts, but only so much because the bandana back is there. It's got good leg movement. Anyway, this guy is awesome. I want to put this other head on. That came off pretty easily, which is good. That's sick. Can't wait till I get the rest of them. I have like 8 other figures that I've got over the last few months that I haven't even opened yet. This guy is so awesome. He might be my new favorite turtle figure. Oh, but this one is also so awesome. Let's stand him up. Both 7 inches tall. Super 7. That's why they call it that, I think. Alright, got him straight. So that's Raph and Raph and Raph. 2003 series. That's so awesome. I've got this Casey Jones, might be my next project, probably, because he's already here. Just finished making this 87 Casey Jones into Mirage Casey Jones, and I'm gonna make the Mirage Casey Jones into the cartoon Casey Jones. So just because it's so expensive, I would have liked if he had a little bit more accessories, but he's so awesome, so sick. Can't wait to get the rest. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.